Okay, what's up, everybody? So today is that time, man. It's Sunday, and we about to do the giveaway. So for anybody who's new to the channel, I wrote down everybody who commented, and I put a number by their name, and we're gonna put it in a random number generator, and whoever number come up, that's who wins. So I ain't gonna hold y'all. Let's get to it, man. Can I get a drum roll, please? Number 13, Joseph Smith, man. You the lucky winner. Congratulations. Yeah, man. Go to Instagram. Get at me in the DM at float89_. If you didn't win this time, man, it's okay. Because next Wednesday is another chance for you to enter to win the giveaway. And I want to ask y'all one favor. Can y'all please watch more than 1 minute of the video, bruh? Thank you.